Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gonabasa. I am your subject teacher of maths and today our topic is in class 4. Today we have to learn place value exercise 1. In last video lectures you have learned this chapter, but today we have to revise once again this chapter. So come on the topic, that is place value, and in place value we have to learn many subtopics that are 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, more practice on place value, comparing numbers, forming numbers, and after that rounding off numbers and Roman numbers. So let's start. Come on topic first, that is place value. Okay, you know that there is an example. India's national animal tiger is endangered in 2006. There were 1,411 tigers in India. Their number increased to 1,706 in 2011 and 2,226 in 2014. In 2018, their number is estimated to be around 3,890, and these sources are taken from National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) and Worldwide Fund for Nature (WWF) and Global Tiger Forum. Okay, now there are some answers. Now answer the following. Now answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. Okay, so there are some questions given. And what we have to do? So listen carefully. That is, first question is write. First question is write 3,891. Write 3,891 in words. Write 3,891 in words. Okay. So we have to write 3,891 in words. In words, what we have to write here? So that will be 3,000. In words, we have to write it 3,000, 3,800, 3,891. 3,891. You can see here that as example was given, India's national animal tiger is endangered. In 2006, there were 1,411 tigers in India. Their number is increased to 1,706 in 2011 and to 2,226 in 2014. In 2018, their number is estimated to be around 3,891. These sources are taken from National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA), Worldwide Fund for Nature (WWF), and Global Tiger Forum (GTF). Now the next question is write a place value of. Next question is write a place value of. Write a place value of 3,803 in 3,891. Please write a place value of 3 in 3,891. So the what will be the place value of 3? That will be, you know that here 3 is of 1,000 place. So the place value of 3 is 3,000. So the place value of 3 is 3,000. Okay. Question number 3. Write 2,226 in the expanded form. In the expanded form. Okay. Write 2,226 in expanded form. When we write 2226 in expanded form, 2026, that is 2000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 6. And the next is orange. Question number 4 is orange. Orange 2226 3891 1706 and add 1411 in ascending order. In ascending order. When we arrange these numbers in ascending order, you know that ascending order means the smallest to greatest. So that will be, there will be, firstly we have to write 1411 and after that 1706 and next will be 2226 and next will be 3891. Okay, and now the next question is round off. Question number 5. Round off 1411 to the nearest 10. Round off 1411 to the nearest 10. You can see here that is 1411. Last digit is 1. So we have to round off to the nearest. So that will be 1411. That will be, when we round off 1411, there is one on ones place. So we have to round off. 1410. Okay. Now come on next topic. Now the next topic is 5-digit number. 5-digit number. Now we have to study about 5-digit number. What is 5-digit number? Do you know which player was the first to make 10,000 runs in Test cricket? Its answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Okay, is 10,000 a 5-digit number? Is 10,000 a 5-digit number? Is 10,000 a 5-digit number? There is a question given. What is it? Which player was the first to make 10,000 runs in Test cricket? Its answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Okay? Is 10,000 a 5-digit number? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number. You know that the smallest 1-digit number is what? The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay? So yes, it is 10,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. And when you add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, what is largest 4-digit number? The largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay, largest 4-digit number is 9,999 because we know that 1-digit largest number is 9, 2-digit largest number is 99, 3-digit largest number is 999, and 4-digit largest number is 9,999. Okay, so when you add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, you get the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, as you can see here, when you add 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, when you add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, you get the smallest 5-digit number. When you add 1 to greatest 4-digit number, okay, 9 1 10 0 9 1 10 0 9 1 10 0 9 1 10. When you add 1 to largest 4-digit number, you get smallest 5-digit number. This is greatest. This is largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number, and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. And 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. So you can say that if you add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, you get the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, that is 10,000. Okay, and now come on next, that is reading and writing 5-digit number. How we can read and write numbers up to 5-digit number? Reading and writing reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Okay, reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Now come on this topic. You can see here the place value system for numbers with 5 or more digits is divided into periods. Periods help in reading and writing large numbers. Okay, on upper side there is periods and places. Okay, now come on periods and places. The periods and places are following. You know that in places 10,000, that is TTH, 10,000, and thousands, 100 tens ones. In thousand period there are 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, and a period is 1,000 and period is thousands. And you know that when we talk about ones, tens and hundred, that is, I am making this table once again. Sorry for inconvenience. I am making this table once again. Reading and writing. Reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Okay, now come on, that is reading and writing 5-digit number. The place value system for numbers with 5 or more digits is divided into periods, and periods help in reading and writing large numbers. These are periods and these are places. That is 10,000, TTH, 1,000, TH, hundreds, H, tens, T, and ones, O. You know that this 10,000 10,000 is classified into periods and places. Okay, so periods is thousands and that is ones. So you can see here that the ones period has three places: ones, tens and hundred. Okay, ones period has three places, that is 100, tens and ones, and a thousand period has two places, that is 10,000 and thousands. Okay, and now thank you for watching the video. We will meet in next video with new topic. Thank you.